The Honor 500 series represents a strong step forward in the mid-range category, offering a refined balance of performance, design, and camera quality. The lineup typically includes the Honor 500, Honor 500 Pro, and Honor 500 Lite, all featuring a sleek modern design with high-brightness OLED displays running at 120 Hz for smooth visuals. In terms of performance, Honor continues to use powerful Snapdragon or Dimensity chipsets, making the phones reliable for gaming, multitasking, and everyday use. The camera systems also see noticeable improvements, especially in the Pro model, which usually comes with a larger main sensor and better image processing. Battery life is another major strength, with large batteries and very fast charging speeds, often around 66W or higher, ensuring full-day endurance with quick top-ups. Overall, the Honor 500 series is built for users who want a well-rounded smartphone that delivers strong value without major compromises, positioning it as one of the top contenders in the 2025 mid-range market.